So hello guys and welcome back into this new tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome not opening or not working or any problem you have. So first thing you want to do is go into the task manager here and open it. When you open the task manager now, you have to make sure to end task every app that you don't need. For example, Microsoft Edge, click on it and click on end task. Do the same thing with all the apps. And then search for Chrome. Click on your right mouse, click on open file location, click again on your right mouse, open file location, and you will find these files. Click on your right mouse on Chrome, choose properties, and now go into compatibility, enable this option, choose Windows 8, apply and OK, and then also after you do that, restart your PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe.